So if you are an iPhone user, then there is a feature called back tap in iPhone, and many users don't know about this, especially the new iPhone users. Now what is back tap and how can you use it? I'm going to guide you through each and every step in this video. So do watch this video till the end. But before going ahead, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Now in order to use back tap feature, the very first thing you have to do is just simply go to settings, and once you go in settings, select accessibility. In accessibility, go down and look for touch option, select that, and again if you go down, at the very end you get an option of back tap. Now currently you can see back tap feature is off, so select that, and in back tap you get two options. One is double tap and another one is triple tap. So you can assign a particular action on double tap and triple tap, and whenever you do double tap or triple tap, that action will be performed. So in double tap you get multiple options, like in system you get action button, app switcher, camera, control center, dark mode, front camera. So if I select control center for now, I don't have to open control center like this manually. Instead of that, I can use double tap feature. So if I double tap at the back of my iPhone, you can see it opens up control center because I have selected control center over here. So if I select camera and if I double tap at the back, you can see now camera application is open. So you can decide for yourself which action you want to set for double tap, and you can do the same thing for triple tap. So in triple tap, if I select dark mode for now, and if I triple tap at the back, you can now see dark mode is on. Again, if I triple tap, now dark mode is off. So you can assign any particular action based on your usage. Now if you go back, there is one more option of show banner. Now what is this? When you turn this on and if you use double tap or triple tap, basically it will notify you that which action is in process. So if I double tap for now, you can see it has notified me that back tap is in use. If I do triple tap, again you can see triple tap detected. So this is the thing, you can just use double tap or triple tap feature in iPhone, which is basically the back tap feature. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you have understood what is back tap and how can you use it. So do assign different actions based on your needs. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.